Oh my gosh, great to see you, girl.
Yes, great to see you and
Oh
great
my
to be
God.
back.
Oh my God. Oh, yeah, kanina ka pa umaga.
Oh.
I love it. Pero
Oh,
fresh na fresh pa rin, ah.
thank you. It's the primer.
I
It's the
know.
primer for
No,
me.
it's not the primer. I think you're ready for your time zone. -6, di ba? Sa
Oh.
Albania, tama
Yes,
ba?
-6. You're correct.
O di ba? Talagang bongga. So anong mga nakapag-empake ka na ba? Ilang gown ang dala mo?
Well, we have a preliminary and final competition, so at least 2 gowns, and we're gonna fine-tune the lookbook as of tomorrow, actually. So
Oh.
yeah, so tomorrow's gonna be another fun-filled day.
When are you flying out?
I'll be flying out this September 30.
Oh,
And
grabe.
October 1 already is the start of all the shoots
Ay,
and some
talaga?
activities for Miss Globe. So on the bat, we're really gonna go full throttle for the next 2 weeks and have the coronation night be on the 15th.
Parang hindi ka naman nasa-stress? Parang yakang-yaka mo na?
Sana. Nagtitraining naman ako.
Ay, oo. Handa ka talaga ever since naman, di ba? Like, this is not your first rodeo, but this time around, what are you preparing for that you haven't done before?
Well, I think particularly with the Q&A, although I do my best to train as often as I can, I think paying attention to how the questions are structured at Miss Globe will definitely be a key strategy going forwards. And of course, lookbooks, definitely. I don't want to stress anything anymore, so I might as well
Magsusulat ka na
come
lang,
into
no?
as prepared as possible.
Wait lang. So, Miss Globe and the global events are whack. Diba?
Yes.
So, kumusta yung ano mo pag tumitingin ka kunwari sa issues ng Amerika, ng Europe, nako Asia, kahit dito sa bansa, anong nafe-feel mo bilang soon to be Miss Globe? Third crown, yes?
Yeah, well, I guess it's now more than ever that a sense of global solidarity has to be felt, not just camaraderie among nations, but I think as a working class, as a united, solid working class, we should acknowledge that we deserve to demand accountability from people who's their job to take care of us, whether it be the government or whether it be our employers. I think it's about time that we have a sense of solidarity rooted in our common struggles.
And kung hindi ka ba magpo-compete, 'di ba? At hindi ka ganun ka-busy, sasama ka ba sa mga rally if ever?
Parang nakakontrata pa, charot lang.
Oo.
Well, I don't think we necessarily need to join a rally per se to make our voices known. I think the reason why there's so much clamor now is because of social media, and just sharing, reposting even is a great way of raising awareness, informing the public of what's being done, and moreover, starting a discussion more than just expressing a grievance. There also needs to be discussions being made, and I think social media is also another great platform to explore this together.
Alright.
And of course, you guys, you guys in
of
the
course.
media are really doing a great job covering all the leaving no stone unturned, kumbaga, when discussing what needs to be discussed.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
Thank you.
we thank you.
Oo, mag-i-ere na pala tayo.